Hi folks, I'm Tony Young with EventStore. Let's make appending a little more concrete with a code example. We'll use the EventStoreDB Python client to append events in two ways. First, constructed through code, and second, built from user inputs in a GUI. We'll store configuration in config.py, making it easy to share configuration information around our example. For this video, we'll only need a few common parameters. The stream prefix will allow us to standardize the stream to which we will be appending. The event type loan requested will be used to initiate loan requested events and start the process of applying for a loan. The debug parameter will allow you to spit out extra detail when the code is executed. And the ESDB URL ensures all our scripts reference the same database service. Start by importing needed libraries. All of these libraries are either built-in or available through pip, so you can use them too. Print out some basic diagnostic information and establish a connection to the database, printing any exception messages and retrying if necessary. Create arrays to hold 4 testing events and populate them with the event UUID, an event JSON payload, and a stream name to which we will append. The stream name will be constructed with the stream prefix in config.py, followed by a dash, followed by the UUID of the event. This allows the separation of each loan request and any future events related to that loan application into its own stream, speeding up the processing of events and keeping them logically organized by application. To show some test cases, use a for loop to create new event objects with the UUID, payload, and configured loan requested event type in the arrays created above. Construct the stream name to which the event will be appended and call the API method to append the event object into the stream. For this example, I'll pause for a few seconds after each append to allow the user to see the results of their actions. Let's execute the code and see the output on the command line. Execute the code by calling Python followed by loan requester-testcases.py. When doing so, the script results are printed to the console and you can see its execution progress. Take a look in the ESDB UI stream browser to view the newly created streams and appended events. Clicking a stream name shows the events in the stream, and clicking an event shows its payload. You can also get the data needed to construct an event from a GUI. We'll skip the particulars of creating the GUI, but when a user presses a submit button, the data needed to construct the JSON payload is retrieved from the GUI fields. The application then builds and appends the event in the same way as the code-based example, resetting the GUI fields to empty. Executing the code brings up a simple GUI window. Input the values, and click Submit. In the background, the code grabs the GUI field values, constructs, and appends the event. And now you see the newly constructed stream and event from the Python GUI in the ESDB UI stream browser. And that's how easy it is to append events in EventStoreDB.